So I've been a little busy of late. Got the engine into the engine bay here. Just got to figure out the piping there to the radiator upper part. This lower part actually fits with the original hose. The turbo is down there. Wastegate. And then the plumbing is out right now, but the intercooler is down in here. So is the oil cooler right there, and the power steering intercooler over there. And the lines are all plumbed in, and here's the outline, and here's the inline, and here's the oil filter, which is the oil filter relocation kit, because this filter used to be down here, and now I relocated it up in there so I can actually change the oil filter without emptying all the oil in the engine. And this is a little long. It's just it's going to get fabbed and pulled into place. And what I did, which was a little nifty, which I haven't seen, was under here. If you can see it, this little T-fitting right here. It's a $30 brass fitting, but this T-fitting helped me solve a real big issue, which was how to plumb out the oil from the turbo. You know, most people plumb it into their into the pan here, but I can't really do that. So, and I think this is a better idea anyways. So I actually plumbed it with the out of the oil from the oil filter adapter, and then it'll run from the turbo out and from the oil filter adapter through the intercooler into the filter and then back into the motor. So that's what I've been up to. So, just wanted to show you something kind of interesting. This is the original wiring for the spark igniter coil pack here. And let's see if I can get a little extra length. Why don't I do this instead? Let me just show you. No spark plugs are in there or anything. These actually plug in, and this is a Hyundai Kia ignition coil pack. So, little crossover plug. Fascinating. Oh, my hands are nice in the way. Let's try that again. Without things in my way. So, and label everything C, passenger spark, so I know it goes over here to this coil pack. And then I didn't put the spark plug in. Spark plugs are not in, and that's for a reason. The threading on here got buggered by a machine shop that fucked up every single thing they did for me. They welded this and a couple other things that I had to go and have re-welded, because see, otherwise it evacuates into atmosphere, and what you really want to do is plumb it back into your exhaust. That's really where you want to dump your wastegate pressure. So that's what that does. But I got to figure out those teeth. Like I said, it's not doing good. Everything's in. Oil cooler lines in, out, and this is the one that goes back. Intercooler is in. Up in here, that's the over there, nice. That's the in, and that's the outline right there. You can see. I wrapped this as a due diligence thing. Hopefully, it's not going to be rubbing on it as much as I think it may. So we'll figure it out for mounting and whatever. But that's where the intercooler piping goes. There's the oil filter adapter kit, a relocator kit. Sorry. Here's the adapter. Obviously, this is lower than it will be. It's not finalized cut. This guy is just enough to snug it up in there nicely. Sorry about that. The batteries are, well, not the batteries, it's actually the memory, but I gotta just figure this out. I'd love, maybe we can figure out 90Ds. If I pulled that out and I put a 90T into there instead, I think it would work better. I'll talk to Speedy about that, because I think it's not a bad idea, actually. Hell, we may be able to heat and bend those just a little bit. A little help on the bend here, because I don't want to cause too much friction in a draft, you know, here, but it looks like it's not pinching it. Another oil line, so we gotta figure that out. As you can see, I marked another timing mark on here because the timing marks were different for the Hyundai Kia. I've got the mark up in here too. You can't see, it's hard to see, but I marked here and I marked back on the auto tensioner.